Back to the classification of elements chapter. So in yesterday class we have done with the periodic table futures, and we already came across the number of groups, number of periods, and the names of the groups. Okay, everything. So in today's class I am going to tell you some tricks and tips to remember these elements. The first one today, so we are going to discuss two important things. First one, how to remember the elements. How to remember the elements. In group wise. And the second important trick here, I would like to tell you how to calculate the atomic number of a element, individual element. So when, if you know the elements of groups, if you know the elements of a groups, elements of groups, you can find out. Now in this class I will tell you how to identify the atomic number of those elements of the groups. Okay, so the thing is, here you should know the elements of the groups. Okay, so now, and here I am presenting a very magical number. With this magical number only you can remember, you can calculate this atomic number very easily. Okay, so the magical number, here we have this whole magical number. If you remember this magical number, you can remember the atomic number of whole. No need to by heart the atomic numbers of 118 elements. No need to by heart the atomic number of 118 elements. If you know this magic number, today I am going to give you the magic number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. So this is the magic number. If you remember this magic number, and if you know how to use this magic number, there is no need of by hearting atomic number. Okay, thus 32 and one more, I'll take 32. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, so this is one special case we will eat. Okay, if you remember this code, you can be able to calculate the atomic number of every element. See, if you know group 1 elements continuously, you can find out the atomic number of these elements. No need to by heart. Hydrogen is 1, lithium is 3, sodium is 11, potassium is 19, rubidium is 37, cesium is 85 and francium is 87. No need to by heart like this. If you know these elements, you can easily find out the atomic number of these elements using our magical numbers. So if you know this, the whole periodic table elements atomic number, you can find out. So I hope you guys so be in the class, watch the class video, watch the class till the end, so you will get a crystal clear idea about the periodic table. Let's begin the class now then. Okay, first we will see how to remember the elements, then we will go for how to calculate the atomic number. First we will see how to remember these elements. Okay, that is the important. So if you know the elements only, you can find out the atomic number, right? First I will give you some easy tricks to remember the group and numbers, especially for your class 10 here. So no need to read this D group elements. Only few elements you should remember, that is zinc, copper, nickel, this iron, manganese, only this much. Remaining you are not going to come across all of these things. Okay, so D group elements and F group elements we will not study for the F group and do elements will not study for class 10. We only worry about 1s, 2s, P block elements and P block elements. S block and P block elements we are going to learn. So now today I will tell you how to remember P block elements and S block elements. Okay, let's begin with the S block elements. Okay, how to remember S block elements and how to find out their atomic number. S block elements. So S block element has two groups, 1s group and 2s group. So what is the 1s group? How to remember the elements? See here in 1s group we have elements, say hydrogen, we have a hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So here I will write one statement. I write one statement, through that statement I will remember it. Okay, so here Halina ka rubber किसने सर किसने फरा. So if you know the statement, you just remember. हलीना बोले तो क्या है, इधर एक लड़की है हलीना. हलीना बोलकर हमारा पास एक लड़की है. जब उन्हें उसका मदर का पास एक फंक्शन पे गया, उस फंक्शन पे इसको एक बलून मिला. सॉरी, उस फंक्शन में वो जाने के पहले इसका हाथ में जो रबर डाल के गया था, ब्यूटीफुल रबर, रेड रबर, उसमें हाथ में हैंड पे वो पहन के गया था और इधर भी एक रबर पहन के गया था. सो क्या हो गया, मीटिंग फंक्शन होने के बाद उसका मदर आया, उसको पूछा हलीना तेरा रबर किसने फरा. सो इसका क्वेश्चन आ गया हलीना का रबर किसने फरा. दोनों मिला के, इसको भी नहीं पता था कि किसने फरा. सो दोनों मिला के जो बाकी लोग जो रहता ना फंक्शन पे, उनको पूछने के लिए स्टार्ट किया. ये जो मदर है ना, हलीना का मदर, स्टार्ट किया. कैसा स्टार्ट किया, हलीना का रबर किसने फरा इसमें. सो हलीना का हाथ में जो रबर था और इधर में एक रबर था, वो किसने फरा, यू टेल लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन. विद दिस सिचुएशन यू कैन रिमेंबर. नाउ हाउ कैन वी रिमेंबर एलिमेंट्स यूजिंग दिस सिचुएशन? That is important, right? Only knowing the statement doesn't matter here. How can we remember? Yes, let's mark out the important letters here. Let me mark out important. हलीना से आपको क्या निकाल के आता इधर. Let me write down them in a vertical manner. Let's write the first term. I will write here हलीना. इसमें हमको H से हाइड्रोजन आ जाता. यू कैन रिमेंबर हाइड्रोजन हियर, द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. एंड Li, you can remember second element here, first second, that is lithium. And order is also following Na, that's why I wrote it in a capital letter. So this is also you have to write it in a capital letter. Sodium, Na represents sodium. I hope you understood. Halina refers initial three elements of the first group. Ka rubber, K, I wrote only K, right? Ka rubber, that is potassium. Potassium. K represents potassium. Then we have rubber, I wrote RUB. This is RUBBR. So you take R and B only. Okay. So that will become RB, and this is rubidium. Rubidium. Okay. I hope. Okay. Then what we have, kisne fara, kisne se, I wrote it in a red color, right? This one. Why? Because instead of K you have to take C. But that's why I wrote this as in kisne. Kisne means here the red means you have to use, in place of C we have to use K, because both gives a K sound, right? That's why I use. You can use this in place of K. So I wrote it in a KISNA, right? In place of K you can use C. So this is CA. CS. Kisne. C or S. Okay. Kisne fara. CS you can. From here I can take CS. CS means cesium. Means cesium. Cesium. Then finally I wrote FR. France. Fara. FAR. Fara. You can take FR. It is nothing but francium. Francium. Now I hope you remember these elements very easily. Simple. हलिना का रबर किसने फरा? हलिना बोले तो हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So I hope this is easy. Now the next step is to remember how to remember this is 1s group. Next step is how to remember second S group. I hope you understood. Copy this. So along with, whenever you watch video classes, always you have to be with the notebook and pen, so that you can copy the things along with the video class. So that will give you a lot of impact. If you simply watch the video, it will not matter at all. It doesn't matter, and after watching you will not be able to remember also. Okay. So please. Okay, I hope. And or else you can take a screenshot of it. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Let's go to how to remember the second group elements. This is 1G group element. First group elements we can remember with this code. हलिना का रबर किसने फरा? एक दो बार बोले तो आपको माइंड में रह जाता है. एक दो बार बोलने का. कैसे बोलने का? हलिना का रबर किसने फरा? ये इसको आपको ये स्टेटमेंट भी आपको याद करने के लिए मैं एक सिचुएशन बोल दिया. वो सिचुएशन भी याद कर सकते हैं. वो सिचुएशन का हिसाब से ये स्टेटमेंट भी आप माइंड में रख सकते हो. स्टेटमेंट का हिसाब से भी आप ये जो एलिमेंट, सारा जो एलिमेंट है ना, वो आप माइंड में रख सकते हो. अभी काम क्या करेंगे? दूसरा ग्रुप है जो है ना हमारा ग्रुप, सेकंड ग्रुप पीरियाडिक टेबल में ग्रुप 2 है ना, ये यही है हमारा ग्रुप 2. सभी इसको पढ़ेंगे कैसे याद करने का. सो नाउ विल सी हाउ टू रिमेंबर ग्रुप 2 एलिमेंट्स. सो हियर वी हैव ग्रुप 2 एलिमेंट्स 2Z. लेट्स राइट दिस इज 2S. okay, second S group elements. This is the second group which is belongs to the S block. Second group belongs to S block. That's, you can call it as a 2S group. Okay, here we have a elements. Let's say yes, I'll write a statement as it is. Beta, जो बेटा था ना इधर एक, let me draw beta here. Yes, here एक बेटा ठहरा है, एंड इधर उसका बड़ा वाला बाप, उसका नाम है राजेंद्र. राजेंद्र उसका नाम है, बट प्यार से हम क्या पुकारते हैं उसको? राजे बोलकर पुकारते हैं. उसका नाम जो है राजेंद्र, मगर हम प्यार से उसको विथ लव एंड अफेक्शन वी कॉल हिम बाय राजे. एंड हियर वी हैव उसका बेटा, राजे का बेटा. अभी हम इस दोनों का बीच का जो कन्वर्जेशन हो गया, वो कन्वर्जेशन में दूसरा आदमी को बोलने के चाहता है. ये जो राजेंद्र का बेटा है ना, राजेंद्र का बेटा, जो राजेंद्र का बेटा, उन्हें क्या मांगा है? राजेंद्र का बेटा मांगा. वो राजेंद्र का बेटा, राजेंद्र उसका पापा के पास क्या मांगा है? क्या मांगा? अभी वो ही बोलेंगे इधर. वो क्या मांगा? कार, स्कूटर, सॉरी नॉट कार, कार ही इन्होंने कार मांगा. कौन सा कंपनी का कार? कौन सा कार इन्होंने मांगा? वो जो कार है ना, सेंट्रो कार, हमको सबको पता है. इन्होंने कार मांगा. कौन सा कार? सेंट्रो कार. किसको मांगा? ये बेटा जो है ना, किसको मांगा? उसका बाप उसका बाप, उसका नाम क्या है, हम प्यार से पुकार रहे थे ना, राजे राजे, उसका बाप राजे को मांगा। उधर ये बेटा जो है ना वो क्या पूछा, कार सैंट्रो, कार उसको कार चाहिए, कौन सा कार चाहिए, सैंट्रो ही चाहिए, उसको BMW नहीं चाहिए, उसको आडी नहीं चाहिए, उसको वही जरूरत, उसको कार कौन सा कार चाहिए, सैंट्रो ही चाहिए। उसको क्यों किसको पूछा, वो पूछा उन्हें, बाप, उसका बाप राजे को। हियर द सन आस्क्ड हिज फादर टू provide him a car called Santro. So by this statement you can remember all the elements. Simply see here, beryllium, starting two letters, beta means beryllium, I hope. Then for manga, here from manga, starting two elements, not starting two elements, this element, syllable, high syllable words, high syllable words, M and G are pronouncing a very high sound, right? Manga, yes, take MG. Then here directly you can take this Ca. So Mg means, you know, magnesium, magnesium, you can remember. Ca, directly you can take Ca is the symbol for calcium. Then Santro, here you take Santro, here R and S are, you can take SR, from here you can take SR, you can pronounce it as a strontium. Strontium. Okay, just to zoom it out, you will get the spelling of it. Strontium. Okay, then Bopse, you can take Ba. Ba you can take, Ba represents barium. Barium. Then Rajese, you take Ra. Rajese, you can take Ra, that is Ra radium. I hope you can remember these elements now. Simple it is, beta, manga, car, santro. Beta बोले तो beryllium, manga, Mg, magnesium, car, Ca, that is calcium, santro, Sa, that is strontium, bap, Ba, that is Ba, right? Barium, and Raje, Ra, that is radium. I hope you understood, guys. And you remember one more thing, in 1s group how many elements we have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 1s group we have totally 7 elements. In 2s group one element is rest, that is 6 elements. You should remember this. Okay, take a screenshot of it, or else if you copy this, that's going to be a better idea. Copying is the best idea. Taking a screenshot, so it's not a good idea, but it's fine, acceptable. I hope you understood this. Okay, let's continue the class now. Okay, let's. So we have done with the first group elements. Now we are able to remember all the elements which are present in one first group. So now we will see P block elements. Then we will see how to find out the atomic number. So to find out atomic number, we just need 1 minute time is enough to learn how to find out atomic number. Don't worry about atomic number. Remembering elements is very important. Okay, you can remember the atomic number in just 2 to 3 minutes. You can learn that concept. So that magic keyword, if you are able to remember, that much is enough. Okay, let's see. I will start from here, 18th group elements. I'll start from 18th group elements, P block elements. Let's write here P block elements. So first I am gonna deal with 18th group. See, here we have Hedan. So you might have know Hedan. नेहरा अगर कर x रन बनाया, x रन बनाया. Okay, so here only one exception in this code, you should remember this is as a x run बना के out हो गया. You can say this like this. Okay, so here क्या हो गया, हेडन. हेडन बोले तो आपको पता ही है, ये तो फेमस ऑस्ट्रेलियन बैट्समैन, ओपनिंग बैट्समैन हेडन. नेहरा आपको पता ही है, हमारा नेहरा सर जी, फेमस इंडियन बॉलर, फास्ट बॉलर. अगर कर, so you also know this guy, he is also a famous Indian bowler. अगर कर. Okay, so हेडन ने नेहरा अगर कर का बॉल फेस करके उन्होंने कितना रन बनाया, x रन बना के वो क्या हो गया, आउट हो गया. वो क्या हो गया, आउट हो गया. हेडन ने नेहरा अगर कर बॉल फेस करके x रन बना के वो आउट हो गया. ओके, दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट. सो आप ऐसा नहीं चाहे तो और एक स्टेटमेंट आप ले सकते. ही नरकर बोले तो सन ऑफ ब्रदर ऑफ तेंदुलकर. यू कैन से दिस गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी आल्सो. से ही नरकर, ही नर कर, ही नरकर जो है ना वो तेंदुलकर का ब्रदर है. यार हमारा है तेंदुलकर, मास्टर ब्लास्टर तेंदुलकर, उनका ब्रदर का नाम क्या है, हिनरकर है. तेंदुलकर हिनरकर, अर जो आ रहा है ना, तेंदुलकर हिनरकर. सो हिनरकर x रन बना के आउट हो गया. हिनरकर x रन बना के आउट हो गया. ऐसा भी आप इस फर्स्ट ग्रुप 18th ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स रिमेंबर कर सकते. आपको पता है, इधर दिख रहे हैं आपको क्लियरली. हेडन बोले तो स्टार्टिंग 2 लेटर्स हीलियम. देन नेहरा स्टार्टिंग 2 लेटर्स नियॉन. अगर कर स्टार्टिंग 2 लेटर्स argon, sorry not agar, this one r, first letter and r, argon, not a g, that is gold, it will come, argon, and this k and r, krypton. Okay, from xe xenon, x run you can say xenon. From rn you can say radon, rn directly you can take rn. And OG say, so that is oogenesis. Okay, you can remember that element, and you don't need to remember this also, oogenesis. Okay, here we have zoom it out and you can find out that. Let's zoom it and let's see that also. Okay, leave it. Ognaceous. Okay, like that we have. So now you are able to remember this. Even if you don't remember this OG, just leave it. It is not needed for your age. Okay, and even we are not going to study this in intermediate also. Okay, and I too don't know whether it is there for your MSc chemistry or not. So we are not going to study about that, but we can study its chemical properties and physical properties simply with the group number. So this is going to have a zero valence electron. That means it will not react with anything. It is stable gas element. It will not react with anything. It doesn't have any compound also. You can just only, you are going to learn its chemical properties and physical properties. It will not have any chemical property. Chemical property means it doesn't react with anything. But only this argon, krypton and xenon show some reactions with some elements. Those things you will study in your 12th class. Okay. I hope you understood this, how to remember. Let's go to the next group. So just take a screenshot of it. You can use these two codes for this. Okay, I will go with the, and you should remember one thing here also, number of elements in the group. That is very important. Number of elements also you should remember. If you remember elements, you can easily find out the number of elements also. That is not a matter here. But still, here 7, 6, here 7. Number of elements in the group. Okay. Let's begin the 17th group elements. 17th group elements. P block, 17th group elements. So here simply it is a football club of Barcelona वो क्या हो गया, फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ बार्सिलोना में उन्हें क्या किया, वो इंडिया को आ गया, फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ बार्सिलोना इंडिया को आया. Remaining the last letter you can remember this TS like this. Okay, that is an exception. So till 80 hasta 9 you can remember. Okay, remaining you can one you can add there. Okay, see here, to play sports you can say. So फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ बार्सिलोना क्यों किस लिए आता इंडिया को, स्पोर्ट्स खेलने के लिए आता ना. टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स यू कैन ऐड. फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ बार्सिलोना इंडिया आई टू प्ले sports, you can add like that. From here you can remember from football, from foot you can take F and you can remember fluorine, and from ball you can take football club. So इधर से नहीं, इधर ही लिख दो ball भाई. See here, from Cl it is chlorine. Barcelona, from here you can take Br, it is bromine. India से you take I, it is iodine. Actually the spelling is iodine. From Aya से you can take At, astatine. क्यों के लिए आया, टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स. I hope you are able to remember this. And how many elements are there here in this group? 6. Here we have 4 elements. 4. All D group elements, groups are have from 3 to 12. They have only 4 elements in them. Okay. I hope you remember this. You can easily remember this. Okay. Next we'll go to the 16th group elements. Football Club of Barcelona. Okay, next 15th group elements. So we're done with 17th, 18th, then we go for 16th group elements. 16th group, उससे टेपो बोले तो ये वो थोड़ा हरियाणी भाषा का है. सो उससे टेपो बोले तो उसको चीट करो, चीट हिम. उससे टेपो बोले तो चीट हिम. उससे टेपो, दैट्स इट. वो से ऑक्सीजन, इधर आराम से आप O से ऑक्सीजन, S से सल्फर, Se से सेलेनियम, T से थेलुरियम, P से most poisonous radioactive element, that is polonium. It is these two are metalloid also. Polonium and tellurium are metalloids. You can also remember. So उससे TEPO-M, you can say TPM also. To remember, tellurium and polonium are metalloids. Okay. So you can remember metalloids here. Two metalloids you have remembered here. Two metalloids, just add them M. So tellurium and polonium are two metalloids. So you have already, we have 7 metalloids. In that we can remember 2 metalloids here. Understood? उससे ठेपो बोले तो cheat him. Cheat him. In English we can say cheat him. ಟೇಪೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟೋಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟೋಪಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಚೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದು ಹರಿಯಾಣಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಸೈಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಜಾಬಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಉಸ್ಸೆ ಟೇಪೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಭಾಷೆ. ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಉಸ್ಸೆ ಟೇಪೋ, ಚೀಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. I hope you remember this. Okay, let's go to the 15th group elements. Okay, let's go to the 15th group elements. 15th group elements here, and you know already these are nitrogens, nitrogen family. Okay, नाथुला पास here. नाथुला पास कहाँ पे है? It is a main way to reach Manasa Sarovara, which is present in Nepal. Nathula Pass. So this is the main way to reach Manasa Sarovara. So as Muslims do Hajj Yatra, so we Hindus, so we'll do Manasa Sarovara Yatra. Vaishnavi Devi temple is there and it is very very important. So North Indians used to go over there. So to reach Vaishnavi Devi temple, that is Manasa Sarovara, you have to cross Nathula Pass, which is present in Nepal. See here you are learning some social also. Okay, Nathula Pass. सभी मिक्स हुआ. You don't worry about this. सभी नाथुला पास से पास हुआ. MI you can remember like this. Separately you can see MC. Okay, may. Okay, but Nathula Pass you just remember this. Nathula Pass, Sabhi Nathula Pass, you can remember like this. Here you can say N means nitrogen. So it is very easy to remember Nathula Pass. It is a way to reach Nepal. So while going to Manasa Sarovara, so that is to Vaishnavi Devi temple, we used to cross this. If this get cancelled, so it becomes very difficult to do Manasa Sarovara Yatra. So and this is the one problem we are facing also. Sometime if Nepal get motivated by China, they may close this Nathula Pass and we start facing the problem also. And this Nathula Pass has got opened very recently. So through this our Manasa Sarovara Yatra will become very easy. Okay, here nitrogen you can remember. And from here pass P say you can remember phosphorus, and A say here we have pass here As we have, right? As से of आर्सेनिक को याद कर सकते हो. सभी से here Sp एंटीमनी को ऑफ याद कर सकते हो. सो Bi से ऑफ इधर है ना, इधर से बिस्मथ को आप याद कर सकते हो. बिस्मथ को याद कर सकते हो. बोले तो ये फाइनल वाला है ना MC, आपको MC जैसा बोलकर. और इधर और एक पॉइंट है सभी M. ओके, सभी M बोले तो दिस bismuth and this arsenic both are metalloids. You should remember like this. Arsenic and bismuth both are metalloids. इन दोनों का बीच क्या है? मेटलॉइड है. सो ये तो जो सल्फर है, नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर, नाइट्रोजन and we have phosphorus. So P is a phosphorus, and here Sa, Sb what we have, this was Sb, not bismuth, sorry I forgot to explain, I did mistake here. So here, so along with that Sb, that is antimony, and this As, ये दोनों आर्सेनिक, ये दोनों मेटलॉइड है. इधर आप एम से ये ले सकते हो, MC से आप ये भी ले सकते हो. नाथोला पास सभी MC means नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, antimony, bismuth, arsenic. Here arsenic is also there. Arsenic, antimony, bismuth and MC. Here antimony and arsenic both are metalloids. In the last case TPM, that is tellurium, polonium are metalloids. In this group arsenic and antimony are the metalloids. Now we were able to remember 4 metalloids. Next we done with the 15th group. Let's go to the 14th group elements. I hope you guys are following. If anything strucks, if you are not able to see, immediately you put a message to my WhatsApp, because I will not be aware about whether my Wi-Fi is working or not. It may get disconnected in between. I will not to come to know, because I am in a non-destruction mode. I don't get any notification from my PC, please. Okay. So next we'll see 14th group element. Okay, we'll see 14th group element. 14th group element, which is called as a carbon family. Here Sita, शिवजी, सुने प्रभु. सीता ने कहा, क्या कहा? शिवा के शिवजी सुने प्रभु. ये तो वाइफ हस्बैंड को बोलने का एक सेंटेंस है, उसी से आप याद कर सकते हो. सीता शिवजी से बोला, सुने प्रभु. फिर से सीता जी ने बार बार क्या बोल रहा था? सीता ने, शिवजी सुने प्रभु फिर से, सुने प्रभु फिर से, और एक बार सुनो, ऐसा बोल रहा था. ऐसा स्टेटमेंट आप याद कर सकते. सीता से सी, हियर यू कैन टेक कार्बन. Okay, Ci will produce a C sound, right? That's why. Shivji say you can take Si and you can remember silicon. And Ge say directly you can remember germanium. And you should remember germanium is a metalloid. Okay. Mata Shivji say you can also remember. Sune. हियर और सिलिकॉन और जर्मेनियम बोथ आर मेटलॉइड्स है. ओके, हियर दोनों. सो सुने से आप क्या ले सकते हो, यस एन ले सकते हो इधर से, यस और एन. यस एन मिल के आपको क्या देता हो, टिन. टिन, TIN, टिन. द name is pronunciation is different, symbol is different. SN is tin. Okay, then you can take here प्रभु से PB आप ले सकते हो. PB ये भी रिमेंबर करना का, ये लेड होता है इसका. सिंबल डिफरेंट, नाम डिफरेंट, लेड. ओके, और फिर से F आप ये रिमेंबर है तो भी चलता, नहीं है तो भी चलता. ओके, so this one you can take this number, F name. Okay, I hope you remember this. Take a screenshot of it. Okay, so we have done with the 18th group, 17th group, 16th group, 15th group, 14th group, and we also done with first group and second group. Okay, now we'll see next group elements. I hope you copied this. 13th group elements. And that is the last group of the P block element. 13th group. So it's बाल गंगाधर तिलक. आपको पता है, बाल गंगाधर तिलक को आपको पता है ना, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, गंगाधर तिलक, बाल गंगाधर इन, बाल गंगाधर ओनली, बाल गंगाधर इन कहाँ पे है, वो बाल गंगाधर दोनों आदमी, वो दोनों आदमी तिलक नगर पे है. वो दोनों आदमी कहाँ पे है, तिलक नगर, तिलक नगर पे है, नगर पे. अभी आपका एलिमेंट्स कैसे रिमेंबर कर सकते हो, बी से बोरॉन. हियर यू हैव बाल गंगाधर, Al से एल्यूमिनियम, और Ga से gallium, and this is boron is the only one metalloid. Here it is, see, a radioactive element it will come. So gallium. Okay, we done with this. In इससे इंडियम, तो इंडिया का नाम है इंडियम. देन वी हैव तिलक नगर. तिलक नगर से TI लो. TI से आप क्या रिमेंबर कर सकते हैं इधर, टिटानस, टिटालियम, Talius, something is there. I also don't know this. So let's see. Okay, thallium, I think so it is. Then NH से, NH लो इधर, N और H, इधर से निहोसियम. Or else you just once you cross check these names after the class, cross check these names, download a periodic table and cross check these two names. Okay, so by this code you can remember these all are the elements. I hope now you are able to remember. So to remember, first one हलीना का रबर किसने फरा, सेकेंड वन बेटा मांगा कार सेंट्रो, 18th ग्रुप हिनरकर, जो तेंदुलकर का भाई है ना, वो 1 रन बना के आउट हो गया. आर एल्स यू कैन रिमेंबर हेडन नेहरा अगरकर 1 रन बना के आउट हो गया. ओके, ये तो 18th ग्रुप. 17th ग्रुप फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ बार्सिलोना इंडिया आई. 16th ग्रुप उससे ठेपो. 15th ग्रुप नातुला पास सभी MC. देन 14th ग्रुप कहो सीता जी सुने प्रभु जी फिर से. देन 13th ग्रुप बाल गंगाधर इन तिलक नगर. You should remember like this. So if you remember all this, you are done with S block and P block elements. Now only thing you have D block elements. Okay, so that is we have a mnemonics for that also. For 10th class is enough. Okay, for 10th class, S block and P block enough. Along with the S block P block, please remember scandium. That is 21th. After the calcium, it will come. Scandium. And zinc. Zn, zinc. Copper, Cu. इसको कॉपर कहते हैं हमने. देन कोबाल्ट, आयरन, निकल. इनको हमको पता नहीं, हमको क्या चाहिए, आयरन भी एक चाहिए फॉर 10th. आयरन को हम Fe कहते हैं, दैट बोले तो फेरस. और एक क्रोमियम Cr, chromium. You have to remember these much of the elements. Remaining are vanadium and all those cobalt, and those are not needed, but you have to remember this Ag and Au. Ag, silver, Ag. Au, arum, that is gold. So original name is arum. Okay, like that. And platinum, Pt, where we have platinum is there. One more, you can remember that here, platinum, Pt also you have to remember. So this much of the elements, apart from S block and P block, you have to remember this much of the elements. This is enough for intermediate also, first PC and second PC. We are not going to read our remaining things. So you may study about Rutherfordium, which is the element identified by Rutherford, and he gave his name. So we have given his name for contributing Rutherfordium. The one element name we have given because Rutherford is a great scientist. 10 of his students got the Nobel Prize in the field of this chemistry. So to give him a tribute, we have given his name for one element, that is Rutherfordium. You might have studied about this in your first intermediate also, but remaining we will not study. In radioactive element series, we will study about some elements. Okay, so but we'll mainly concentrate on P block and S block elements and these few elements from the D block. Okay, I hope you remember all these things. Now you tell me, did you understood this? Okay. Okay. Now our second agenda of the class will begin. So in this we are going to find out, now we done with find out atomic numbers. Okay, let's so now we already know the elements of the periodic table. So now I can say easily all of the elements of the periodic table, not actually all, but I can hopefully I can say P block elements, S block elements, and few of the D block elements clearly, cleanly, no problem, without problem. So now let's start how we can calculate the atomic number of these S block elements and P block elements. It's very easy, guys. Just you have to use our magical number. I told you my magical number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. But to use this magical number, you have to follow some step. First step, first to find out, suppose you are going to find out the atomic number of first group element, right? Let's example, suppose you are going to identify first group element. So to use this magic number, so you have to find out the number of elements present in that group except the first element. So leave this first element and find out how many number of elements are present in this group. First you have to leave this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, if you have a 6 elements, so your magical code will be, if you have a 6 elements, your magical code will be 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 will be your magical code. Okay, I will tell you what we can do with. Now if you see in the second group elements, what we have to do first step, we have to leave first element. I will leave this first element, and after leaving, let's calculate how many elements are there here in second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements we have in second. This is the first group. We have 6 elements, leaving hydrogen. I have left hydrogen here. And here in second group we have 5 elements, leaving beryllium. We left beryllium. Including beryllium, we have 6 elements. If you have a 5 elements, guys, your magical code, what happens here? So light changes takes place in magical code. We are going to remove this code. For 5 elements, I am not going to use first element 2. I am going to use only 8, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. This code you have to use if you have 5 elements remaining for except the first element in the table. Okay, next you can say. And suppose here everywhere this code applies for 2 to 2 second group, 13th group, second group, 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group, this will apply. For first and 18th group, first group and 18th group, this will apply. So now if you want to apply the same for 13 to 12, so you have to find out, you have to leave the first element and you have to find out the number of elements. Okay, so that is how you have to do. Okay, here how many elements are there first by leaving this one? 1, 2, 3 elements. If you have a 3 elements, what you have to do? You have to leave starting 3 numbers. Here, if you have a 3 elements, excluding, let's say third group it is, excluding first element, that is scandium, I have 3 elements. Totally I have 4 elements. So if I remove that first element, I have 3 elements left. Now my code will become 18, 18, 32 only. 18, 18, 32 only. So using this code, you can find out your atomic numbers easily. Now we'll see, let's find out the atomic number of first group elements. I hope you remember this. Take a screenshot of it. I am giving you time. Take a screenshot of it. If you have 4 elements, your code will become, suppose if you have 4 elements by leaving the first element of the group, so your code will become 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay. So if you have totally 5 elements you are going to have, you have to leave first element and remaining you are going to left with 4 elements. In that case you can use this, and we don't have that case in our periodic table also. We have only these 3 cases, so you can easily remember. These 3 codes you should remember. Using these 3 codes, you are going to find out atomic number of all of these elements. Okay, but only thing you should know, the group of the element, group of that element. Okay, I hope you have took the screenshot of it. Let's find out atomic number of first group elements. Simple it is. I will tell you how to find out atomic number of first group elements and second group elements also. Both I will tell you. Remaining you can do it by your own. So it applies for everywhere. See here, first group elements. What are the elements? We know that halina ka rubber kisne phara? That is hydrogen, lithium, neon, halina, ka rubber, potassium, rubber, that is rubidium, kisne phara, that is cesium and francium. So first, and here you should know third point I forgot to say. To apply this magical number, you should know atomic number of first element of every group. You should know atomic number of first element of every group. First member of every group. Atomic number of first member of the every group. So this is my first group. First member atomic number is 1. I should know this. Then only I can find out. Now what is my code here? Excluding hydrogen, how many elements I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means I have to use this code. Which is that code? I already gave you that code, right? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Totally we have 6 codes here. Now to find out the atomic number of lithium, what we have to do? Just add this with this. This 2 plus 1 gives you 3. To find out neon, what you have to do? Keep on adding here. 8 plus 3 gives you 11. To find out next element, this number has to be added to this. 8 plus 11, 19. To find out the rubidium, just 18 has to be added to 19. If you add 18 and 19, you are going to get 37. To get the atomic number of next element, add this 18 to 37. Cesium, you will get 55. To get the atomic number of francium, add this 32 to 52. You will get 87. That's it, guys. This is the simple step. So just simply, so you have to add this. Okay, I hope you understood this. You just take this screenshot of this, or you copy it also. What we have to do here? We have to add here addition, that is plus, 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 plus. That's it. How much time we took to calculate the atomic number? Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute is also, we have not done 1 minute, we don't took 1 minute also. Just enough. Within a second we have calculated the atomic number of all the elements. But only thing we should know order. Now you can easily calculate the atomic number of S block and P block elements, because you know the order also. You know the order of the element also. You can easily calculate. Suppose if you want to calculate 13th group elements, let's say I will take an example. If you want to calculate 13th group elements atomic number, okay, so now you know what all are the elements are there in the 13th group, which is that code we have. So that is Bal Gangadhar in Tilaknagar. 13th group, Bal Gangadhar Tilaknagar. Bal Gangadhar in Tilaknagar. In Tilak, it is TL Nagar, NH. So now what we have to do to calculate the atomic number? We have to leave a first element. Then we should know the atomic number of first element. Here B is 5, boron. And after leave this and calculate number of elements. How many number of elements are there excluding 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 elements. Then for the 5 elements, I gave you the code already. What is the code? That 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, and one more 8 we forgot here. Okay, 8, 18, 18, 32. This was the code I told you. Okay, my magical code. 8, 8, 18. Now if you want to find out the aluminium, what we have to do? First add this. I told you first element has to be added with the previous element. So 5 plus 8, you will get 13. Now to get this, add this next code with that 13. You will get this. I hope you understood. 31 you are going to get. To get the next element, add this 18 to 31. You will get. That is indium 49 you will get. To get the tellurium, just add this 32. We forget, right? This 18 we have not taken. Now take this 18 and you will get this. Okay, that is 81. Here you have to add. You will get this. So to get the last one, just add that to this 81. You will get that. Okay, let me. It might be confusing one. Let me remove this and I will tell you one more time. Okay, let's not make any confusion here. So that will yield into whole concept. Whatever we did now till now, that whole thing will going to be ruined out. Okay, to find out the let's clear one thing. To find out the atomic number of aluminum, what we have to do, we know this, right? So just add this 2, you will get this. Okay, so to find out aluminum, we have to add here, then we will get aluminum atomic number. 8 plus 3, that is 8 plus 3, this code. Previous it is previous one, this is code. To get it, you will get 8 plus 3 means how much it is? Sorry, we know this is 5, 8 plus 5, it is 13. So to find out this next code what we have, that has to be added with this, and you will get this. Okay, this is 13 aluminum atomic number plus that our magic code. This is previous one, this is our magic code. To get this 13 plus 8, how much you will get? See here, how many elements we have here? 1 2 3 4 5. I have taken code. Yes, I have to remove this here also. 1 minute guys, I have to take only 1 8 here. I gave you wrong code here. Just take me here. Only 1 8 is enough here. We should not take this code, you change. Okay, this code only 1 8 is enough here. So 1 extra 32 we have to take here. 1 extra 32 will come here. Change in the code also. Okay, earlier till it is work, now it works. Now the code works properly. Okay, let's see this, whether it code works or not. Okay, so we know this is 15. 5 plus 8 gives you 13. So to find out this, so 13 plus 18, you will get, you can add it and see it, you will get 31 only. This is atomic number of aluminum, that is 13 plus our magic code 18. So now to find out indium, just add 31 with the next magic code, that is 81. 31 plus 18, you will get this one. 31 plus 18, you will get 49. To get the atomic number of this one, add this 32 to 49, add this 32 49, so that you will get this 49 plus 32, you will get 81. You can see 9 plus 11, 9 plus 2 11, 3 plus 4 4 7, only 81. Okay, and to get this, you just add this 32 to this 81. 81 plus 32, you will get this NH. How much it is? 113. This 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 8 11, 113 you are going to get. I hope you understood this. Like this you do it for everything. Okay, so this is how you are going to do, and the code for this we already told you. Then let's see how to find out the members atomic number of the second group elements. You understood this? 13th group, the same procedure, same code. The same code is for second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 17th. The code is, here I wrote, right, second, third, the code is 8 18. Double 8 I told you, that remove it. 8 18 18 32 and 32 is the code which is going to apply. For first and 18th, the code is 2 8 8 18 18 only 32. Okay, that much is enough. And for 18th group, sorry, for this is for first group. For 18th group, what happens? The light change will take place. In place of we remove 2. 8 for 18th group. Just try with this. Okay, 8. You will get this answer. 8. Then 8 8 18 18 32 32 for 18th group. I will just write it down here. The codes I will write it down, so that in that manner you do it, so you will get the answer. For every group I will write down. Okay, let's not put confusion under the confusion. I'll write the codes along with the groups. Yes, first group. So code will be first group code will be 8 2 8 18 2 8 8 18 18 32. Okay, for second group, 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group and 17th group, for all these groups code will be 8, 8, only one weight, so that is 8, 18, 18, sorry, let me write here. Let me write group wise only, or else it get confused. For second group, so I supposed to apply for everything and I have to calculate and I have to show you, but I didn't do it. So for that I'll just give you a coin. For second group you can use 8, 8, 18 and 18. So how many elements? That is then 32 you can use. Okay, as you move here the thing will change. Here for 13th group you can use 8 directly, 18, 18, 32 and 32. For 14 group same code, 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. For 15th group same thing, 16th group same thing, 17th group same thing. Okay, everywhere it is same. For 18th group I will write here. For 18th group you can use, you remove 2, you can remove, use this 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. This is my magic number for 18th group. I hope you got the clear idea about this. Use this method, find out it. Okay, today we'll stop here only. Thank you for the day. So you see here, if you want to find out atomic number of the second group element, you should know this beryllium. If you know the beryllium, so here what is the code I told you here? That is 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Yes, you know this is 4. So to find out magnesium, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 gives you 12, right? Yes, we have got 12. Then to find out calcium, we have 12, and what is our next code? 8. 12 plus 8, so that is 20 we have got. To get next one, we have code is 18 plus 20, this is 38 we are getting it. So to get the next one, 38 plus 18, here 56, 50, 38 plus 18, how much we are going to get? 56. Yes, to get the next one, 56 plus our next code, that 32, 56 plus 32 we are getting 88. It is working. So here for the 13th group you can see we already calculated. For 14th group, what is this? We know 6 is our no, and to find out next one, what is the 14th group code? 6 plus 8, 14. Okay, so to get the next one, 14 plus 18 you get it 32. To get the next one, 32 plus 18 you'll get this one 50. To get the next one, 50 plus 32 you'll get 82. 50 plus 32 you'll get 82. To get next one, 82 plus 32 you'll get this 104. Like that, if you want to calculate for this column, nitrogen you know 7. To get the next one, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 you'll get 15. To get the next one, 15 plus next our 18, you'll get this one 33. 33 plus next 18, you will get this 51. 51 plus 32, you will get this one. 83 plus 32, you will get this last one. Okay, like that it will apply. For here you can see, for 18th group, we know that this is 2. So to get this one, 2 plus 8, here I wrote, right? 2 plus 8, 10. Next one, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 18, 54. 54 plus 32, 86. 86 plus 32, the last 118 element. I hope you understood this. So you practice it. You should remember these codes, adjustment of the codes. You might have forget. So just by heart this code, and you should remember how to remember these elements. This much is enough. So you will get strong idea in periodic table. Thank you for the day, guys.